Hey everyone, in this video we're going to go over how to create a form from start to finish, which includes how to build the form using the form builder, how to design the form using the form designer, and then using a post-submission action. Okay, so let's start off on our dashboard page. So when creating a form we have two different options. You can either create one from scratch or you can create one using pre-built templates. So let's check out the pre-built templates real quick if that is something you're interested in doing. So we have a variety of different templates to choose from. We have business forms, contact forms, contests, and different surveys. Let's see, for example, we want to keep this form short and sweet for this demo purpose. So let me just show you a couple different options and how this works. So for here, let's see, we're interested in name and email. You need a form like that. So you click preview, you'd see an image of how it would look, and then you'd click select. But for this example, let's head back to the dashboard and create a custom form. I just wanted to give you an example or show you the two different options we have when creating a form. Okay, so we clicked on create a form. So this is the form builder layout, form builder screen you could say. And first thing right off the bat, let's change the name of the form. So we have it say form 47, let's change it to Demo Form 1. Pretty generic, but it'll work for now. And the other thing we might notice is this red bar at the bottom that says click here or click Save Form to save and activate the form. So let's save to get that out of the way. Okay, so now that we got those taken out of the way, we can now work on building our form. And as you might notice right in the middle of the page, we have the reCAPTCHA options, which if you want it, feel free to leave it. If you want to remove it, you can remove it. Okay, so we want to just create a simple contact us form. We will do first name, last name, email, and let's do a text area, which we will change the name to comment section or comments. So we have first name, last name, email, and our text area field. And with that, let's click on text area and we see field label. So let's change that to comments. Anytime you make a change in here, don't forget to click the apply button for it to be applied. Okay, so we have first name, last name, email, and comments. And with the reCAPTCHA option, let's drag that to the bottom since it is also attached to the submit button. Again, if you want to keep or remove the reCAPTCHA, it is up to you. If you remove it, it doesn't really mess with the submit button, so feel free to remove it. And then we will drag the reCAPTCHA options to the bottom of the form. Okay, so now you see we have first name, last name, email, comments, the reCAPTCHA option, and then our submit button. Cool, so that is the general basic structure or wireframe of our form. Then we go to the top right and you see a couple different buttons and a couple different tabs. So from here we have form design, which lets you change and interact with a couple different options. For example, if you want to change the form width, if you want to change the form background color, add a border around the form itself, change the font, change the color. And if you want to do that, feel free to, and you would just need to click the apply button. For this example, I'll just keep it short and sweet, and we will just head on over to the advanced designer. Here, I just want to show you what the form design screen looks like so you can see all the designs that you've created for this form. But for this example, I want to show you the process of how to create a form or form design. So we will click create design. Okay, so we are on the advanced designer screen and we can start off by adding all our field elements to the advanced designer. Okay, we just want to double check that everything's there. Everything looks good. And here we have a variety of different options that you can design the form. We have default styling or custom styling. Okay, I'm going to keep it short and sweet, so let's make this first row two columns so I can add first name and last name in the same row. And then we'll have email, comments, and the submit button after that. And just to spice things up, let's change the color of the submit button. Let's make it red. Again, anything dealing with colors, if you know the hex code, feel free to type that in, or you can just drag around to the color you want. Okay, so we have a few changes to the design aspect of the form, but again, we have a variety of different videos to explain and go in depth on what each feature and each function is within the form builder and the form designer. Okay, so let's preview the form. So we have first name, last name, email, comments, and our red submit button. Awesome. Okay, so we've got step 1 done of building the form, step 2, designing the form. So now we're on to step 3, the post submission actions. So we will click on that. And as you can see, we have success message and a redirect and a default email. For this demo, I'm just going to show you the success message. And again, we have a variety of different videos coming out and in our YouTube channel that explain in detail what each feature and each function does. But to keep this video short, I'll just show you the success message option. So we double click to edit, and we have our success message and redirect pop-up show up. So we have the success message on, then we have two different options to display the message. We could do it in place, so right after you click submit, it'll just show up on the page, or you can have it be set up as a pop-up, so a pop-up would come up after click the submit button. For this example, we will just have in place, and it will say success, your submission has been saved. Thank you and have a great day. And again, to keep up with the red tone, let's give it a red color and let's bold it. There are a variety of different options of things you can do with the success message, so feel free to mess around and see what you like. So now that we have our success message, let's click save. And then we can go back to the advanced designer and preview our form. So it was custom design 1. We have our page URL. Let's click the eye preview icon. And we have first name, last name, email, comments, the red submit button. So let's fill it out. So first name is Flo, last name can be demo, email is flo@indition.com, and the comments, this is a demo. Cool. Then we click submit. And as we just did in the post submission actions, our success message pops up. Success, your submission has been saved. Thank you and have a great day. Awesome. And with that, you just created a form, designed the form, and added a post submission action. Thanks again for watching the video. And if you have any other questions in regards to different features and functions, feel free to check out our YouTube channel, where we have a variety of different videos that go in depth on each feature and each function in regards to how to build a form, how to design a form, and the post submission actions. For example, when someone submits the form, how do you receive an email with all the content inside the form? And if you found it useful, please leave a thumbs up. Definitely helps the channel and lets us know we're doing a good job. And please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel to know when a new video drops. Thanks again, and we'll catch you in the next one.